Welcome to a tutorial on how to draw lips. So I'll start out with a basic shape that looks almost like a giant thick mustache. Then you're going to start the bottom half, which looks like a half of an oval. Then you start drawing your lines where there's creases in the lips. Then you're going to start darkening out the bottom part of your lip to create your shading later. You're going to do the same thing in the middle to outline where you're going to shade. Then you're going to do the same thing at the top to outline the top part of your lip and also where the cupid's bow is. Then you're going to draw the creases on the lips and work your way across. I started out light so I can darken later. And you don't want to put too much to overdo your lips. Then go over those creases one more time and darken them out. Just very little, so you can create your shadow lines. Then do the same process at the bottom. Make sure you do them light first before you go over them again and do the dark. Then you can go ahead and start throwing a little bit of shading on top of that part that you have darkened. Continue to follow this process as you're watching, and if you have to back it up just to see how it's done, go right ahead. And as I continue to work with the shade, I darken out the darkest part a little bit more just to get that illusion. Then I begin to shade the top part of the bottom lip, just to create the shadow that's coming from the upper lip. Then I go over it one more time just to darken out the opening part of the mouth. Begin to work your way across with the shade. Then after you're done doing that, go back to making your creases on that bottom lip. After you're done doing that, now go ahead and start working on the shade and start getting the bottom of the lip. Now this does not have to be perfect. Do your own speed. Start to work your way down and make sure it gets lighter when you go further down. After you're done, go back to the top of your lips and start working on the cupid's bow. Create the shadow from the bottom up. I know this is supposed to be a lip video, but I'm going to draw the nose just to give you an idea on how that would look if you're working on a piece. begin to follow the movements, the basic strokes that you sketching out. As you already know, the light's coming from the top of the head, so you're going to put your shape on the bottom of the canvas. This is where you're going to connect with the well. Lightly shade inside the canvas. Now do the same line strokes at the top of the lip. Start to begin to shade the upper lip and blend it well. At this point, you're going to be adding more detail. You're going to be shading all your creases. I like to shape the corner of the lips so I can give it that 3D effect. And like I said, continue to add that detail. Now I'm going to add a beauty mark. Right now I'm just adding extra, so I'm going to draw the shape of the face, the chin line, and I'm also going to shape that just to give it the 3D effect. Really pay attention to these strokes where I go from dark to light. Now I'm going to add more detail around the nose. Now I'm going to begin to shade around the nostrils and work my way up. Now continue to darken the areas that you want to darken. Also add your light shading. Blend it as well as you can.
Perfect.
Add the shade under the nose, light to dark. Now do all your minor touch-ups before you start to blend all your shaded areas. So since I don't have the blending tool, I'm just going to use a napkin or a paper towel or a Kleenex. Now that you have blended, we're going to go back with the eraser and create our light in different areas. This is what's going to make the piece more realistic by erasing each area that you want the light to be in. Now that you've